Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassan, HassToFix. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your videos using a CapCut. For beginners, I will connect my phone to the laptop and I'll show you. Without further ado, let's get into the video. On my mobile phone you can see I connected to my laptop. Go to App Store and search for it. Once you have it, then this is the first thing you will see once you open the app. And then go to New Project. When you click on a project, once you press Add at the bottom, it will take you to this page where the editing part is. So the editing part, now we have two different clips, we connect it together, and then you can just press play. As you guys can see, you can press play, pause it, and now we have two clips. So if you want to change, put this other clip at the front, you just hold it, and you can just drag it. You see, you can replace it each other. So you can put this one at the front, and then if you want to cut something in the middle that you don't like, you just click on it. Once you click on, you'll get the split, and then you can delete this one if you don't want it. The bits you don't need, you just press delete. That's it. And if you delete it by mistake, you can go back by pressing this button. And then what you do, you can even put text on the video. So just normal text, press add text. Once you add text, this is what you'll get. I'll write anything. One second. How to use CapCut, as you guys can see. And then you can change the fonts, the style you want, effect, animation, bubbles. You can do so much things, and all these are for free at the moment. They do have a CapCut Pro, which will cost you £100 a year roughly, but the free is enough for you just to create your image, your videos, editing your videos and your images to upload your social media. So you can change the color, as you guys can see, and then you just press tick. Once you press tick, and then you can move the text where you want it. If you want the whole video, you just grab it and just drag it. As you guys can see, start from the beginning and then drag it the other way, and then just grab it. Everything you just drag and drop. So easy. There you go. I'm dragging all the way to the end, so it will have. So now let me go back. As you can see, the text is all the way through on the videos. And plus, what else you can do? And if you don't want any more text, you just click on it and you just press delete. If you want to add some music, click on add audio. Once you click on add audio, copyright, it gives you the copyright music if you want. They have some music you can choose without an issue. So now you just add, and there you go. As you can see, the audio has been added to the bottom. So same like before the text, the audio, just press your finger on it and you can just drag it forward wherever you want. You can put it. That's it. Once you can either put it in the whole video or you can reduce it. The bits you don't want, you can just split it and cut it, and you can put different music on it if you want. You guys can see, and then once you finish and you're happy with it, all you do is press at the top. At the top, as you can see, the arrow that's facing up, click on it, and then your video's exporting, saving it straight away to your phone, and then you can just upload it to any of your social medias that you want. That's how easy it is. So if you guys find it helpful, this video is useful to you, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.